Hi guys, this is Nath Sagar Paithan Dam. It was very beautiful place. When we went, it was raining heavily. And this view when we went to the bridge near the dam. Oh, there was very beautiful. Out of 27 gates of the dam, 18 were open. There was so much water in the dam. I enjoy very much. I take some photos also there. And there was so many fish in the water. Out of 27 gates of the dam, 18 were open. See the look. There was very much nice. Rain is very much heavy. Water was so much. In the bridge and water there was only 3 centimeter gap. I taken some video. See this. I take some photo. There was so many water. So after a little. Thank you.